Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I'll show you how to check for WebRTC leaks in your browser using Proxy Sale online tool. This online service allows you to check if WebRTC is enabled in your browser and if there is a risk exposing your real IP. This is particularly important if you use free proxies, as I currently do. As you can see, there is a high probability that my real IP could be exposed, which might lead to blocking and other related issues. It's recommended to disable WebRTC to enhance your online anonymity, especially when performing automated actions and for the security of devices used for anonymization. We've previously demonstrated in our videos how to disable WebRTC in different browsers. Check the links to those tutorials in the description of this video. We always advise disabling WebRTC as it's uncertain how various websites accessing this function might use your information. To check for a WebRTC leak, you need to disable your proxy, then navigate to the My IP section and note the address. Enable the proxy and navigate to the WebRTC check page. If the check shows one of the previously displayed IPs, there is a leak. If not, your session is secure and anonymous. We recommend using this service before starting your online activities to ensure your safety. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.